akalero kampi ka video call walero kampi ndandise etya wegendereze nnyo omuntu akuwaana nziramu wegenderezanga nnyo omuntu akuwaana ulira omusajja ono nga alina gwawaana.
When Anita mom came, I think she came with Aryong and some few other people. She saw my abara there. Oh, the girl was very excited. She said, oh, I want to be like you. She kept reminding me, of course sometimes I forget, but after some time I gave her 200 cows. Yes. So I said, since you seem to want to get out of Ichan, you take the cows. Others, they come and see and go back to their Ichan. They are not bothered. It is as if they have got a friendship with Ichan. But Anita was very different. So I gave her 200 cows. Now, today I passed by her place. She has got 2,000. I needed to send somebody to teach her how to look after them properly. Then another time she kept approaching me on the schools. I didn't even remember that I had contributed to her. But one time she invited me when the school was already up and running. I don't want my young people to be involved in making mistakes, corruption and so on. So when I came, she had built the secondary school. There was also a nursing training school. I interrogated her. Yes, sir. You young girl, where do you get the money to do all this? Because I cannot relate with young people if they are making mistakes and I encourage them to continue. So she reminded me, you man, you have forgotten. Do you want to remember that you contributed here? And I remembered, I had forgotten myself. Yes, sir. The school fees of the secondary school, she was able to build the nursing training center. And she's now telling me that the nursing training center earns more money than even the school. And from the two, she was being able to work on the stadium, which we launched today. So it's good to encourage such active people like this one. So, and if she makes a mistake, you.
Awo nali mukuwana. Ila na masomero go mukazi yagalaba. Era omusajja bamuyita n'alaba amasomero n'amalwaliro ng'omukazi amulaga nti nkoze. Omukazi n'amugamba gwe wali kapito gwe wanjigiriza wambale ku nte n'enfuna obugagga. Era omusajja bwe yabyogera kati beefuula olwo gwakolera enyalemu beefuula twali tuli awo ate ng'awooninga abantu uliriza mutagala.
I don't want to hear corruption in parliament. I don't want to hear corruption in parliament. Because if there is corruption in parliament, how will you control the other people?
Nakugambira akalero kambi obani yamuwakanya tetwamuwakanyiza omusajja kituufu tagala nguzimu ki tagala nguzimu parliament kyokera yaddamu n'ayomba ngali kacayi obani yamuwakanya ndibe yayogera biringa atugamba tagala nguzimu parliament nga balowooza waliwo yamugamba tomuwakanya bali muwakacayi era lumunaddamu n'ayomba n'atukakasa nti nno olutalo lw'okulwanisa enguzi terujja kubeera luzibu nnyo gya.
The fight against corruption is not as difficult as people think. You will see in the coming days how we are going to cause a lot of casualties.
Era tuba tuli awo omuntu obusunga bumwehipi kwageza okuddamu okulaba batwala endiboota. Bana byabufuzi ze batya